When it comes to cleaning, sometimes motivation is just a little bit hard to come by. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we are talking about tackling cleaning tasks when your usual go-tos for motivation just aren't working. And the key is to get the energy moving in the space. When you get the energy moving in the space, it's a lot easier to get the energy moving in your body so that you can get the job done. So today I want to give you 4 quick tips to get you started. Number 1, open some windows or doors. And doors, both if it's possible. Even in the winter time, I know it's summer now, and yes, my doors and windows are open. Can you hear the birds? But even in the winter time, open the windows an inch or so for 5 or 10 minutes. Just enough to get some circulation happening. If you can open the doors and your pets won't run away, do that too. But get the airflow moving. The airflow moving will get the energy in the space moving. Number 2, turn on some music and dance. When it comes to getting the energy moving in your body, you can always start there. You don't have to start outside and work your way in. You can start inside and work your way out. Turn on some music and dance. It's a sort of reward yourself work. Reward yourself first for a job well done. Get the dancing out of the way and the celebrating and the partying it up, and you'll be ready to get the work done. Number 3, clap, especially in the corners. Clapping, the vibration gets the energy moving, especially in the corners where it's stagnant, or where it tends to stagnate. And again, once that energy starts moving in the space, one step at a time, helps you feel that energy get moving in your body. And number 4, we're jumping a little bit ahead of ourselves, but if you can't start anywhere, start with just washing the windows. Just washing the windows and getting the sun coming through and the light coming through does go a long way towards helping you with motivation. Brightens the space up a little bit. And even in my home, which is pretty dark because I live in the forest, and not a lot of sunlight comes through, cleaning the windows and getting things open and brightened gets that energy moving again. So there you go. 4 really simple things that you can do to get the energy moving in your space, make it easier to get that motivation started for the cleaning tasks ahead. Let me know in the comments what works for you when nothing else does to get you in the driver's seat and going, so to speak. While you're down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.